Hello everyone. Now question number 13. Question 13 is related to the rupees concept. Question is a sum of rupees 800 is in the form of denominations of rupees 10 and rupees 20. Means 800 rupees जो हैं या तो वो 10 rupees के हैं कुछ अमाउंट या 20 rupees का अमाउंट है. If the total number of notes is 50, find the number of notes of each type. और टोटल जो नंबर ऑफ नोट्स हैं मीन्स कुछ आपके पास 10 रुपीज़ के नोट हैं, कुछ 20 रुपीज़ के नोट हैं. वो दोनों के रुपीज़ के नोट जो हैं दैट इज इक्वल्स टू 50. एंड वी हैव टू टेल कि 10 रुपीज़ के कितने नोट होंगे एंड 20 रुपीज़ के कितने नोट होंगे. So we will take it, let the number of rupees 10 notes equal x मान लेते हैं. Therefore the number of rupees 20 notes कितने होंगे? Total notes are 50. इस 50 में से x नोट्स 10 रुपीज के हैं एंड द रिमेनिंग वन इज ऑफ 20 रुपीज नोट. सो 20 रुपीज के कितने नोट होंगे? 50 में से x ये हो गए एंड व्हाट इज लेफ्ट? 50 माइनस. ओके, here it is given that total sum is 800 rupees. टोटल सम इज 800 रुपीज. अगर 10 रुपीज के x नोट हैं तो 10 रुपीज का अमाउंट कितना होगा? अमाउंट ऑफ रुपीज 10 नोट्स कितना होगा? 10 रुपीज के अगर x नोट हैं तो अमाउंट ऑफ रुपीज 10 नोट्स वुड बी 10 मल्टीप्लाई x. So this will be equals to rupees 10x. Means अगर आपके पास 10 रुपीज के मान लीजिए 5 नोट हैं तो कितना अमाउंट होगा 10 रुपीज का? 5 मल्टीप्लाई 10 मीन्स 50 रुपीज. सेम थिंग हियर. 10 रुपीज के x नोट हैं तो द अमाउंट ऑफ रुपीज 10 नोट्स विल बी 10 मल्टीप्लाई x. So it will become rupees 10x. Similarly, amount of rupees 20 notes. Now tell me what it should be. 20 rupees के 50 minus x notes हैं. So what would be the total amount of rupees 20? It would be 20 multiply 50 minus x. Or we can say that if you will solve it, it will become rupees 100 minus 20x by opening the bracket. अब आपके पास ये भी अमाउंट है एंड दिस इज ऑल्सो अमाउंट एंड द टोटल अमाउंट इज 800 रुपीज. So what should be next step? Therefore 10x rupees plus 100 minus 20x. 100 minus 20x is equals to 800. ये भी रुपीज हो गए, ये भी रुपीज हैं and its total sum is given 800. Now we will solve it. So here if we will see, there is a mistake here. If you will multiply these two together, it will be 1000, not 100. So here also it will be 1000. Now we will solve it. Minus 10x, it is minus 10x, 10x minus 20x, and shift 1000 on the other side, so minus 1000. So minus 10x equal, it will be minus 200. Cancel minus with minus, so x will be 200 upon 10. Cancel it. So you will get x as 20. 20. Now the question is that you have to find the number of notes of each type. So x 10 rupees के कितने नोट हो गए? 20. And 20 rupees के कितने नोट हो गए? 50 minus 20, that is 40. So therefore, number of rupees 10 note equal 20 and number of rupees 20 notes, this is equals to 50 minus x, so this is equals to 50 minus 20, that is equals to 30. So this is the answer. Now next question. Question 14. In a class of 49 students, number of girls is 2/5 of the number of boys. Girls जो हैं 2/5 of the boys हैं. So we will take let the number of boys equal x. So what would be the number of girls? Therefore, number of girls equal 2/5 of the boys. So 2 by 5 x, and total students are 49. So according to question, total students is given as 49. So what does it mean? Number of boys plus number of girls, number of boys plus number of girls equal 49. Okay, boys plus girls equals to 49. Now take its LCM. 5x plus 2x equal 49. So this will become 7x upon 5 equal 49. How will you solve it further? कैसे solve करेंगे? By doing the cross multiplication. So here 7x equal 49 multiply 5. So x is 49 multiply 5 upon 7. Cancel कीजिए. So you will get x as 7 multiply 5. So this is equals to 35. अब देखते हैं क्वेश्चन में क्या बोल रहा है. We have to find the number of boys. Number of boys को हमने क्या माना है? x. Therefore, number of boys equal 35. Question number 15. Question 15 is, Leena has 117 rupees in the form of 5 rupee coins and 2 rupee coin. The number of 2 rupee coin is 4 times that of 5 rupee coin. Find the number of coins of each denomination. Means आपको 5 rupees के भी coin बताने हैं कितने हैं and 2 rupees के भी coin बताने हैं कितने. And total rupees is 117 rupees. So we will take let the number of 5 rupee coin equal x. So therefore, number of 2 rupee coins क्या होगा? According to the question, 2 rupee coins is 4 times that of 5 rupee coin. So 4 times of x, that would be 4x. अब क्वेश्चन अगर आप देखते हैं ये रुपीज दिया हुआ है. So what we will do? We will find out the amount of 5 rupee coin as well as 2 rupee coin. So therefore, amount of or value of अमाउंट ऑफ 5 रुपी कॉइन कितना होगा अमाउंट? अगर 5 रुपी के x कॉइन्स हैं तो व्हाट शुड बी द अमाउंट ऑफ 5 रुपी कॉइन? 5 multiply x, 5 into x. Similarly, amount of 2 रुपी coins क्या होगा? 2 रुपी coins 4x coins हैं. So 2 रुपी का अमाउंट कितना हुआ? रुपीज 2 multiply 4x, that is equals to 8x. अब हमारे पास क्वेश्चन में दिया हुआ है टोटल मनी इज, total amount is 117. So according to question, total amount means this amount plus this amount, 5x plus 8x equal 117. Okay, so solve it. 13x equal 117. So x will be 117 upon 13. Cancel कीजिए. Goes with 9. So x will be 9. Now the question is we have to find the number of coins of each type. So therefore number of 5 रुपी coins, 5 रुपी coins कितने हो जाएंगे? 9 coins because it is x, and number of 2 रुपी coin कितने हो जाएंगे? How much it should be? This is equals to 4x. So 4 multiply 9 because x value is 9 and which is equals to 30. I hope all these questions are clear to all of you. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.